Hi everyone, welcome to today's episode of Mathemagik. So, I want to try and make all your mathematics very easy. Today I'm going to make you find the area of trapezoids very easy. So, what do we usually do is we often have to find in a trapezoid the bottom part, the bottom side, then you find the top side, and then you have to find the height. How do you find the height? The height can be either this way or this way. The height is usually across a right angle, so which is right here. This is the right angle. So you usually have your height next to the right angle, perpendicular to the base. Okay, perpendicular to the base. So the formula to find an area of a trapezoid is, you have the top, which is A. Then the base is usually B. And then you divide that by 2. And then you multiply by your height. All right? So look at this. A, which is A. This the top side is A. Then the base is B. Then you divide, after you add it, you divide it by 2. And then you times it by the height. So in this case, how would you do that? All you have to do is A here is 4. And then you add the 8. And you divide that by 2. So 4 plus 8 is 12 divided by 2 equals to 6 times the height. In this case, it's 6. So, look here. 4 plus 8 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. So, you have, this one is 6 times 6, which equals to 36. So, the area is 36 square inches. All right? So let's try and do number 2. So again, don't forget to find the top bay of the trapezium, A, and the base is 9. So A plus B, divide that by 2 and then times it by your height right here. So in this case, all you have to do is 6 plus 9, which is 6 plus 9. Divide that by 2 and times it by the height, which is over here 4. All right? So that's very, very easy. So 6 plus 9 is 15. Okay? And 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. And you times that by 4. And then 7.5 times 4 is 30. So your final answer is 30 square feet. Okay? Now don't forget, you found out your height because it was perpendicular to the base. The side that's perpendicular to the base, according to the right angle. And that's why this is your height. All right, now let's try number 3. So all you have to do is A, which is the top of the trapezoid, plus the base, which is plus, so 8 plus 11. Then you divide that by 2, and then you times the height, which is perpendicular to the base. All right, so it's as simple as 8 Okay. 8 plus 11, divide that by 2, and then times 6, right? So 8 plus 11 is 19. 19 divided by 2 is 9.5 times 6. So 9.5 times 6 is 57. So your final answer is 57 square yards. That's how you find the area of a trapezoid. Now let's try and do number 4 right here. So in this case, you need to know, imagine you thought of this trapezoid the other way around. Imagine you bring it this side. You turn it over. So this would be your top of the trapezoid. This would be the base, and this would be the height. So all we have to do right here is you do 4 plus 6 divided by 2 times your height, which in this case is 5. So 4 plus 6 is 10. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Okay. So 5 times 5, which gives me 25. So your answer here is 525 square yards. Okay. Always remember to check the unit. All right. So now let's try and do number 5. Okay. So imagine in this case, okay, you brought this around. So this would be the top, this would be the base, and then this would be your height. So all you would have to do is 3 plus 7 divided by 2 times your height, which is 8. So that would be 10 divided by 2 times 8, which is 5 times 8 gives me a 40. So your answer here is 40 square inches. All right. Now let's do the final one, number 6. And this time I will give you 15 seconds to try and do this by yourself. All right, so as we would do it as earlier, this is the top of the trapezoid plus the base. Divide that by 2 and times your height. I hope you got that correct. Let's check if you have. So 8 plus 12, divide that by 2 and times by the height, which is 9. So 8 plus 12 is 20 divided by 2 times 9. So 10 times 9 gives me 90. So 90 square feet. All right. I hope this was nice and clear. Please do feel free to ask me any questions in the comment section below. Take care.